Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a quick poll in a Telegram group on your PC using the latest update. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer and open the group where you want to create the poll. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the attachment icon, usually a paperclip symbol, located near the text input box. Hover over this icon and from the menu that appears, select Create Poll. Next, a poll creation window will open. Enter the question you want to ask your group members in the provided text box. After that, click on the text box under Poll Options and type in your first answer choice. If you want to add more options, simply click Add an Option and enter additional answers one by one. Telegram allows you to add multiple choices for your poll options, so you can customize it to suit your needs. When you've finished adding all your options, look for the Create button at the top right corner of the poll window and click it. Your poll will be instantly published in the group chat where members can start voting right away. Creating polls this way makes it super easy to gather opinions, plan events, or make group decisions quickly. It's a great feature to keep your community engaged and involved, all from your PC without needing to switch to mobile. That's it. Now you know how to set up a quick interactive poll in any Telegram group on your desktop using the new update. Enjoy engaging your group and making decisions together more smoothly than ever.